To make this easy Santa ornament, I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, 1, 2, and in each stitch of the chain. Single crochet. Insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops. So I've single crocheted in each stitch across the row. Chain 1 and turn. Make 2 single crochet in each stitch across the row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 single crochet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And the last 2, 1 and 2. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet in each stitch across the row. Like that, I'm going to do that one more time, chain 1 and turn. Chain 1 takes the place of the first stitch, single crochet in each stitch across the row. Like that. And I'm going to change to a pink color for the face. You simply pull the yarn through. I like to lock it in with one stitch with the yarn end and the yarn. I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch across the row. Chain 1 and turn, single crochet. And I only need about 2 rows for the face, so now I'm going to go back to my main color. And I'm going to pull that in, chain 1, single crochet in each stitch across the row. Like that, and I'm going to do that for 4 more rows. Okay, I've completed a total of 4 rows of single crochet, so I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and I'm going to skip that first stitch. So in order to do that, I'm going to just pull up a loop. And then I'm going to make my next single crochet in that stitch, and I'm going to pull through all 3 loops. Then single crochet across. And when I get to the second last stitch, I'm going to skip that one. So I'm going to make a single crochet here, and then I'm going to decrease single crochet in the next stitch. Like that. And chain 1 and turn. And I'm going to do that until the top of the hat has reached a point. So I'm going to skip this stitch, pull up a loop in the next, finish my single crochet, and then 1 single crochet, and then a decrease here. So pull up a loop, finish the single crochet, chain 1 and turn, and I'm going to do the same thing. So pull up a loop, and then I'm just going to skip that next one and pull up that next loop, and then finish my single crochet. And I'll make a little loop here for hanging. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch in that same stitch and fasten off like that. So that'll be a little loop for hanging. So this yarn end will get woven back into the finished work, and this yarn end will get woven back into the finished work. And I'm just going to tie off my 2 pink yarns. Okay, now to make the beard, I'm going to wind my yarn around 2 fingers 5 times, 4, 5. Cut off another yarn end, place it through here, and tie into a bundle. And cut open the loops and trim this off evenly. And then right here on the side of the face, I'm going to pull the yarn ends through, this yarn ends that I used to tie into a bundle. I'm going to bring those here, and I'm going to tie them on the back, and you can weave that yarn end into the finished work. like that. I'm going to make another bundle for over here. And I've gone ahead and added another tuft of hair on the other side. And I have 2 black beads, and I'm going to sew those on there for eyes. And I have a pink one, and I'll sew that one on for the nose. Now these are optional. You can make these little bundles by wrapping the yarn around all 4 fingers, tie it into a bundle, and you can attach that there under the nose, make another small one, and attach it here above the eyes. So that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this little Santa ornament.